How are you feeling today? Sunita Williams is back home.
Absolutely very grateful to God that she's back home safely, soundly. Not just her, but all the whole entire crew is back. So very happy, obviously.
What is planned next? What do you think? When is she supposed to meet you?
I don't know yet. I think we are in the plans of. There will be some individual meetings where people will go in small batches to meet her, but a very large gathering will be in very near future. No fixed plans yet.
Also, Falguni, were the palpitations high as you were seeing that descent? What do you think? Were you nervous? Were you excited? What was going on?
Excited. It was fascinating. It was almost surreal. It's like, wow, it's happening. And thank God it's happening. There was no nervousness or anxiety. It was just pure joy and gratitude and fascination.
Falguni, we can see in the backdrop some puja is happening. Are you praying for her return?
So I actually had did the mannat in my mind that I will come to the temple after everything goes well. And I had come to the temple, but it seems like I'm talking to my Indian family more than praying. So I'm looking forward to talking to everyone, but then getting back to my prayers. Pandit ji is right here with me, and Panditji has managed this temple for many years. He's also a relative of Sunny, and he has hosted Sunny here at the temple on many occasions.
Pandit ji, namaskar.
नमस्ते नमस्ते
How,
प्रणाम प्रणाम
how are you? How are you feeling this morning?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ भगवान की दया से सब कुछ हुआ है और आ गई है आप लोगों की प्रार्थना से भक्तों की प्रार्थना से सबकी प्रार्थना से आई है और हमने भी उनके लिए बहुत प्रार्थना किया है पूजा पाठ होम हवन किया है और मैं कुंभ के मेले में गया था वहाँ भी उसके लिए प्रार्थना किया था और आज हमको बहुत खुशी है और फाल्गुनी ने भी इसके लिए बहुत प्रार्थना सब कुछ किया है
आप एक्साइटेड थे पंडित जी, नर्वस थे? क्या चल रहा था दिमाग में जब वो कैप्सूल लैंड हो रहा था तो?
बस भगवान को हम प्रार्थना कर हमको भगवान पे विश्वास था कि सनातन मंदिर के भगवान उसको सही सलामत से अच्छी तरह से उसको लाएंगे और अभी जल्दी वो शीघ्र ठीक भी हो जाएगी
जी पंडित जी। फाल्गुनी जी, back to you. What do you think? How is the environment at your home right now? What is happening? What are the discussions like? And when she was stranded at the space station, what do you think about what all was going on in your head that time?
So, right now, our families are spread across the entire country. So, we are very much connected virtually, and everyone is joining in this moment together virtually. And we are definitely sharing the excitement and the pictures and a lot of those things. When she was, I would not call her stranded, but when her trip, when her mission got extended, it was not expected. So there are some fun moments where we were asking her question. Hey, you didn't take enough clothes with you. How are you managing? You only packed for 8 days. So those fun moments were there, but we knew for sure that she was going to be okay. It was a matter of time. And even as her trip got extended, there was no fear. It was more like, okay, missing each other type of a thing. And more like she was missing out on some of the family celebrations here, the foods we eat, or the things we do. But then she was doing much more exciting work in the space. So
Falguni,
it's a trade.
you also told us earlier that she took a Ganesh idol with her to the International Space Station.
She took Ganesha Murthy. Yes, she did. And she sent a picture of the Murthy floating in the space. It was beautiful, with the background of the cosmos and Ganesha in front of the cosmos.